Welcome to Auto Car, the ultimate luxury car battle. Which one would you pick? Number 1, Tesla Model S Plaid Plus. Electric beast. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, insane speed meets luxury. Number 2, Lamborghini Revuelto. Hybrid monster. V12 power with 1000 plus horsepower, pure Italian madness. Number 3, Rolls-Royce Phantom. The king of luxury. Starlight headliner, whisper quiet ride, pure elegance. Number 4, Bentley Bentayga. SUV royalty. Handcrafted interior, powerful W12. Luxury goes off-road. Number 5, Mercedes Maybach S-Class S680. Executive paradise. Massage seats, champagne flutes, office on wheels. Number 6, Range Rover SV Autobiography. British sophistication. Go anywhere in absolute comfort, luxury redefined. Number 7, BMW 7 Series i7 Electric. Future is here. 31-inch theater screen, electric power, tech meets luxury. Number 8, Audi A8L Horch Edition. German perfection. Ultra rare, ultra luxurious, reserved for the elite. Number 9. Lexus LS 500h. Japanese precision. Hybrid efficiency meets Zen luxury, quiet perfection. Number 10, Porsche Panamera Turbo Executive. Sports car disguised. 620 HP, 4 doors, have it all. 10 dream machines from Auto Car. Which number is your favorite? Comment below. Follow Auto Car for more luxury content. Fire.